How to contact a seller on eBay. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. If we want to contact our seller on eBay, in today's video we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial. So we can just go over and follow out this step for that. So from here, once we are signed into eBay, what we can do is we can scroll to the item. So go ahead and find our item. We can look out for our card to find the item that we have already booked, or let's head over to an item within our home page as well. We can directly go to the item and view it and basically go to the seller information section. So here we should be finding the seller information in right hand side, this one right here. So we can click on this option and here we'll be finding seller feedback and different options here. Now if we want to contact them, we should be finding an option called contact. We can click on it. And on our right hand side, we'll be finding this screen open up where we can message the seller. So we can just go over and choose up a topic. Here, we can type in a topic or write in a message. So just go and write in a message here and click on this option called send a message. And that way, you should be able to contact the seller on eBay very directly. And that way you can do it. Otherwise, if you want to do it from your purchase history, look out for the cart option in the top right and select it. And there also you can find that specific product. And again, find the order and click on contact seller next to the item and write and send your message. You can also follow the same process on your application as well. And sellers usually respond within 24 to 48 hours through eBay messages. You can just head over and follow the steps for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and